Hey everybody, welcome back to Art by Galen. I'm Galen Eilenfeld, and today I've got a little product review for you. I was sent some tech to review by Huion. They sent me this Inspiroi H950P, which is one of their more popular pen tablets, and it's been a long time since I've actually used a tablet that isn't a display, so I'm excited to see how this stacks up against what I currently use. I currently use a Cintiq 22 HD. It's not one of the newer models, but it is a display screen that I draw directly on. It's been probably about 5 years since I've really played with using an actual tablet. One of the things I'm really excited to try with this is that it has tilt sensitivity. And what that means is when you put your pen on the tablet, it is supposed to be able to tell whether or not you're tilting within a certain degree and in which direction it's tilting. And if you're a digital artist and you like using fancy brushes, that means quite a lot. A feature like that is really, really great when it comes to doing digital art because it opens up a whole new world of what you can do with your tools. I'm going to take this, I'm going to get it installed, I'm going to get it set up and ready to go, and we'll go over some of what's in the box, and then we'll talk about what it's like using it. Some of the specs for this, the working area inside the tablet is 5.4 inches by 8.7 inches. And that gives you just enough room to be able to work comfortably without feeling too confined. It's got over 8,000 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is pretty standard for most tablets and display screens. It comes with the USB connection cable, it comes with the pen, and it comes with some extra nibs that are hidden within the pen holder. It has 8 express keys that can be customized within the Huion software. You can customize these express keys to do certain functions within your program. For instance, with me, Control Z is popular, undo, undo, undo. So having an undo button is pretty nice. I like having a button to save, and I like having buttons that allow me to zoom in and out. Now this also comes with some little adapters that allow you to plug this into your Android phone or tablet and use it in art programs that you have on those. And that's another thing I'm really excited to try out. Now before I get started, I have to download the driver, and that's as simple as going to huiontablet.com/support and then just finding your device. In our case, it's the Inspiroi H950P with the tilt, and I'm going to download the driver for Windows. Okay, so after working with this for a little while, I gotta say I'm really impressed with this tablet. And coming from me, I'm typically a person who I tend to stand by Wacom products because I've used them for years. I've always had a hard time going to other brands, but after using this, I gotta say, I'm a fan. I like the pressure sensitivity. I like the tilt sensitivity. I love that I can plug this into my phone and draw on my phone because that makes this very, very portable. There is no power cable. There's only the USB cable. And so you could throw this in your bag, take your phone or your tablet with you, connect this to it, and now you've got a mobile art studio without having to spend, hundreds of dollars or thousands of dollars even. My only real gripe with this is the base, and that's only because it feels very flimsy to me. It's not heavy. It doesn't have enough weight to it. It doesn't have any kind of even a little piece of rubber or something on the bottom that would keep it from sliding off of my desk because I bumped it off of my desk a few times. The cool thing is it does come with some extra nibs inside. So when you wear them out, you can replace them pretty easily. And it has its own little nib remover where you take the nib of the pen, push it into the bottom of the stand, tilt it a little bit, and then pull, and it pulls the nib right out. And I'm really happy that they sent me this to review because it's the first Huion product that I've actually tried. And like I said, I'm really impressed, and I'm very curious now to try out more of their products. So who would I recommend this to? I would recommend this to absolutely any new starting digital artist or even any experienced digital artist that's looking to get a new tablet. I do prefer the ability to draw directly on a screen, but if I have to get a tablet, I can tell you right now, I'm using that one because for the amount of features that it has and for the price that you can get it for, you can't really beat it. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those down below and I will get to you with any information that I might have left out accidentally. And as always, until next time, keep creating and take care.